Today is Tuesday, August 12th, 2025. Nice green day for me. I'm up $2.40 on my account, which is 0.1%. But more importantly, I took 20 trades. I went 16 green and 4 red. I ended the day with 73 cents worth of profit ratio. So a really strong day for me. On my 4 losing trades, I gave up 59 cents worth of profit. A couple of them I should have got out sooner. Uh, that's the trick of the trade, right? I did get in. My biggest loser came from a halt resumption trade that, I'm trying to, you know, um, put myself in those scenarios because I know they often lead to really clean moves. So far, every time I've tried, what I thought was the bottom of the dip was just the beginning of the dip before the famous rip. Um, did it again today. I need to get a little bit better at waiting on the rip part to start actually happening instead of just buying the beginning of the dip. But anyway, I did, however, sell for a loss and then get in during the rip back up. So I made back that loss. Um, Either way, strong day for me. Uh, Seemed like there was a lot more momentum in the market today than there has been the past several days. Even sitting here now, I just took my last trade at 10:34 a.m., which is later than I normally trade. But BTAI is still going to the moon. This stock has been on the scanners every day for the past 2 weeks. It feels like I don't even know. I guess just because. But anyway, I made a 8 cent move on that before I started doing my video journal. So yeah, not too bad of a Tuesday. Um, Wednesday and Thursday are days that I am going to be working, so I don't expect to get nearly as much trading done. I'm going to try and back off on my trades while I'm at work. I've had good days and bad days trading while at work or the parking lot at work or walking to the time clock at work or whatever it is I trade. But um, I do I'm able to really do a lot better when I'm trading at home on my computer. So I think I'm going to kind of just back off, maybe just watch some charts. If there's a time where I can really pay attention to it, try to get in. But trading on my phone sucks. I use an offset when I trade during the pre-market, and that helps get fills way better. I can't do that on my phone, so I oftentimes have ran into issues getting orders filled. It's just a pain in the butt. So yeah. Either way, strong Monday, strong Tuesday. Um, Feeling pretty good so far. This trading more, taking smaller wins. So far, so good. Let's hope for a good rest of this week. All right. This is where I took my biggest loser on Tuesday. Ticker BTAI. We halted up here, and then this is the halt resumption starting at 6:34. We had a big dip down here. I got in on this at 6:14, expecting that to be kind of the bottom of the dip. Well, man, did it just keep going. We dipped all the way down here to the 580s. I sold down here in the 580s, basically the bottom of this candle, and then we started roaring right back up. Once we broke 590, I got back in, and I got out at like 608 or 610, something up near the top of this candle. So I made back most of my little loss there, but I got to get better at this timing on these halt resumptions. I've done good a few times, but most of the time I've done poorly, and this is another poor example of that. I need to be more patient. But then I've also seen it go just completely go without me because I'm trying to be patient. So it's a tricky thing to do, but I'm trying to expose myself to it more so I can get more in tune with the timing on it. This one didn't work out, but I made it back up. So not much to say there. I came out. I think I ended up losing about 6 cents on the two moves combined. So nothing major. I could have done without the major loss to start off with, but I'm still getting better, still learning. So can't complain too much there. This is where I made my favorite move on Tuesday morning. Ticker RMBL. This is a 1 minute chart. And right in this area, I got two nice trades in a row in the dipping down in the 280s, ripping back up to the right above the $3 mark. My first one went 288 to 301. My second one went 287 to 302, even better. Just really clean bounces and just really hugging that dollar mark. And right there, back to back, I made a nice amount of profit. Nice, clean, predictable trades. Just easy peasy scalping for a dime here and there. Little base hit. Do that a few times throughout the day, and you've got a good day. That's kind of what I'm trying to do, and that was perfect execution right there for me. Two trades in a row, right within a minute or two of each other. Nicely done.